Hey everybody, welcome back. I welcome you all to my channel, that is English Ka Gyan. Here again I am here to present some daily use English sentences. So let's get started. मुझे जीतने से कोई नहीं रोक सकता. When you are damn sure that you will win the match or maybe any game you are playing, nobody can stop me from winning. हमारी बड़ी लड़ाई हो गई. We had a huge fight. We had a huge fight on any topic, on any discussion. आज सब कुछ तुम्हारी आंखों के सामने है. Today everything is in front of your eyes. Today everything is in front of your eyes. सब कुछ मेरी आंखों के सामने हुआ. Everything took place in front of my eyes. Everything took place in front of my eyes. सब कुछ मेरी आंखों के सामने होता रहा. And you was not able to do anything. Everything kept happening in front of my eyes. Next sentence is, जब मैं वहाँ पहुँचा तो कोई ने मेरे से कुछ नहीं कहा. When I got there, nobody said anything to me. Nobody said anything to me. मैं उसे खुश करने में कोई कसर नहीं छोड़ूंगा. I will leave no stone unturned in making him happy. I will leave no stone unturned in making him happy. मेरी इच्छा पूरी हो चुकी है. My desire has been fulfilled. My desire has been fulfilled. यह तस्वीर दीवार पर टांग दो. When you want to hang any picture on the wall, hang this picture on the wall. Hang this picture on the wall. हम पड़ोसी हुआ करते थे. We used to be neighbors. We used to be neighbors. We are talking about past. You have shifted from there now. आज स्कूल नहीं है. So if there is a holiday, so now every day seems to be holiday because it's lockdown. There is no school today. There is no school today. सर्दी की वजह से तुम्हारी नाक बह रही है. Your nose is running because of cold. Your nose is running because of cold. आपको बस आदेश देना है. So you can say, you just have to say the word. You just have to say the word. Say the word is an idiom which means to give command. मैं तुम्हारे साथ जाऊँगा, बस आदेश करो. I will go with you या फिर along with you, just say the word. You're demanding to say that word. That means that you should या फिर you have to come with me. मैं उसे जान से मार दूँगा, बस आदेश करो. I will kill him, just say the word. Just say the word. मुझे उस जगह का पता भेज दो. सेंड मी द एड्रेस या फिर लोकेशन ऑफ दैट प्लेस. सेंड मी द लोकेशन ऑफ दैट प्लेस या फिर एड्रेस ऑफ दैट प्लेस. वो शर्म से मर जाएगा. When something happened to you and that is shameful, he will die of shame. He will die of shame. कितनी अजीब बात कर रहे हो तुम. How strange you are talking. How strange you are talking. क्या तुम्हारे पास सोचने की शक्ति नहीं है? Don't you have strength to think? If you are imposing the work that is of thinking, so somebody can ask you, क्या तुम्हें मुझसे कुछ काम है? Do you have some work with me? Do you have some work with me? कोई भी आसपास नहीं है. There is no one around. There is no one around. You have taken there as a imaginary subject over here. क्या तुम्हारी अकल घास चरने गई है? Have you gone nuts? Have you gone nuts? वो मेरी सफलता से जलता है. He is jealous of my success. Remember one thing guys, after jealous you have to use of because it is fixed preposition. He is jealous of my success. करने से पहले ऐसा कुछ मत कहो. Don't say such a thing before doing. When you are going to do anything new and somebody talk in a negative way, so you can say don't say such a thing before doing any work. तुम इस दिन को कैसे भूल सकते हो? How can you forget this day? How can you forget this day? इस दिन को. So here comes our question of the day, and I will ask you a question. You have to translate it into English, and the question is, अब पछताने का कोई फ़ायदा नहीं है. So you have to translate it into English. मैं उसकी मदद नहीं करना चाहता था लेकिन मुझे करनी पड़ी. I didn't want to help him but I had to. I didn't want to help him but I had to. आपको इतनी जल्दी आने की ज़रूरत नहीं थी. When you come before the time, you didn't need to come so early. You didn't need to come so early. मैं इसमें कुछ नहीं कर सकता हूँ. I can't do anything when you have no power to change something in any matter. So you can say I can't do anything in it. उसने मेरे पैसे वापस नहीं किए. He didn't give my money back. He didn't give my money back. मैं उसे जानता हूँ. So there is a two way to speak this sentence in English. First way is I know him, and you can use another way, that is I am acquainted with him. आपको इस आदत से छुटकारा पाना चाहिए. You must get rid of this habit. You must get rid of this habit which is not good for you. मैं समझ नहीं पाया क्या हुआ. I couldn't understand what happened. I couldn't understand what happened. मैंने उसे यह काम करने के लिए दिया था. I gave him this work to do. I gave him this work to do. ये मुझे ताकत देता है कुछ करने के लिए. It gives me power to do something. It gives me power to do something. तुम्हारी साइकिल मेरे लिए बहुत छोटी है. Your bicycle is too small for me. Your bicycle is too small for me. मैं इसे ठीक से नहीं चला सकता because you can't fit it. I can't ride properly. I can't ride properly. You're talking about riding the bicycle. मेरा आज लंच करने का मन नहीं है या फिर मन नहीं कर रहा है. I don't feel like having lunch today. I don't feel like having lunch today. When you skip your lunch, मैं गर्मी बर्दाश्त नहीं कर सकता. I can't stand the heat. I can't stand the heat. Can't is a contraction of can and not. मैं जल्दी सोने चला गया. I went to bed earlier than usual. I went to bed earlier than usual. Next sentence is, ये चीज़ें चलती रहेंगी. These things will keep going on. These things will keep going on. यह मेरे रोज की दिनचर्या है. It's my daily routine. When you do something every day, it's my daily routine. So you can simply say, मैं वो दिन कभी नहीं भूलूँगा. I will never forget that day. I will never forget that day, which is very important to you. कोई मौका ही नहीं है. So when there is a no chance to happen something, to take place something, there is no chance. You can contract there is as there's no chance. मैंने ध्यान नहीं दिया. I didn't pay attention. What will be its English? I didn't pay attention to something. इसके बजाय वो करते हैं. Let's do that instead of this. Let's do that instead of this. You want to skip something for doing something else. मैं उसे मनाऊंगा. I will convince him. I will convince him या फिर her if that is girl. Okay, it depends on gender. मुझे मंजूर होगी जो भी सज़ा आप मुझे देंगे. I will accept whatever punishment you give me. I will accept whatever punishment you give me. क्या तुम्हारी उसके लिए भावनाएं हैं? Do you have feelings for him? Do you have feelings for him? उसके लिए for him. मैं उसका नाम जानने के लिए उत्सुक हूँ. I am eager to know his name. I am eager to know his name. When any student got enter in your class as a new admission, मैं सीधे डिनर करूँगा. When you skip any meal of your day, I will take dinner directly. I will take dinner directly. Most of the time somebody skip any lunch or maybe breakfast, so he can say, मैं तुम पर और विश्वास नहीं कर सकता. I can't trust you anymore. You leave and you have betrayed me. तुम ऐसा पहले नहीं किया करते थे. You never used to do it before. It is your past habit. You never used to do it before. Used to is used to show past habits. Okay, if you want to know more about it, you can find out videos so you can watch it properly. Otherwise, if you request me, I will also make sentences as given you the structure, as given you the identification, that how you have to use this advanced structure. It is not said to be advanced structure, but use of grammar, you can say it and call it as. So I hope you must have enjoyed this video. If you really enjoyed this video, so you can hit the like button, and if you're new to this channel, so must subscribe to English Ka Gyan YouTube channel. So I will meet you and catch you in the next video. Till then, you have to keep supporting, keep sharing and keep liking my video, because one of your likes give me motivation to upload more and more videos for you in terms of spoken English, in order to make you speak English. So that's it for this video. Like, share and subscribe, as I told you earlier. So I'll meet you and catch you next one. With that said, have fun.